I'm Judy Brough. I'm of Guide North Wales and I'm a tour guide in Wales. The Blue Badge is the highest qualification in Britain of professional tourist guiding, and it's recognised internationally as an acclaim of quality for tourist guiding. I cover the whole of Wales, and if a visitor would like a tour, say, of just North Wales, it might be day tours, so I will put together day tour itineraries, or perhaps they want a 7-day tour of all of Wales, so then I will work out the day tours in all the different areas of Wales. You'll hear by my R's rolling that I'm from the sort of southwest of England, but for me, I moved here 14 years ago. I wouldn't choose to live anywhere else. 5 minutes from my house, I can be down by the sea. 10 minutes from my house, I'm walking through a medieval town in the shadow of a 13th century castle. 15 minutes, I'm out in the open in the mountains. You know, where else could I do this? And Wales, we have such a good infrastructure. Where we are in North Wales, we are central for everything. You've got contemporary places like the Quay Hotel where we're standing now. You can also go places like the Great Orme, just down the road from here. We can actually see tangible history from 5,000 years up until now. There's an excellent theatre venue Cymru in Llandudno. The shopping is good, and the pace of life is just that little bit slower. With the advertising and marketing by Visit Wales, Wales is here as a product for people to come and see. It's castles, it's mountains, it's hospitality, it's welcome. We might be small, but we are beautiful and spectacular.